Hello my fellow eggheads, this is Liz. I'm a certified repair technician. Today we're going to talk about how to replace your power jack on your Dell laptop. Let's get to it. First of all, I've located my power jack right here and I'm going to go ahead and start working on it. Now keep in mind that you have to have a power jack that is removable, otherwise if it's integrated into the motherboard then you have to replace the whole motherboard. I'm going to start by clearing the wires. There is this video cable that's in the way. Instead of just pulling it to the side and potentially pinching it because they're a little bit fragile, I'm just going to go ahead and unplug it like so that it's completely out of the way. Now the power jack is over here and I'm going to start removing the screws to get to it. Like so, being careful not to pinch any of the wires. And now that I have this off, I'm going to go ahead and start working on it. Now it's a little bit snug in there, so I'm going to take my screwdriver and using the tabs on the side, I'm just going to push back and forth until it comes loose, which is a little bit tedious, but it will eventually come free. Now zooming in here, getting a close-up look, see where it says CN- followed by those 6 digits. That's the part number I need to order a new one. You can use that for eBay or Amazon. Now I'm going to go ahead and reinstall this power jack. Sometimes power jacks also come in the form of like a board, a separate board that can also be replaced. But we are focusing on this kind, which is the kind with the cable, which is more common. Let's just go ahead and push it back in there. Let's zoom in a little closer so you can see it up close. Also be careful not to leave any of the cables pinched in any way, shape, or form. You don't want to cause any sort of problems with sparking or the cable no longer working. Now I'm going to reattach these screws that I took out, like so. And what's really great about knowing this repair is that power jacks are not an expensive part. So if you ever have a problem with your power jack, it is the way to go to replace it. And now I'm going to go ahead and push this in. See how I routed the wire back where it's supposed to be so it won't get pinched. And now I'm going to put this back over it because it keeps it in place, which is really, this is a nice feature of the Dell, the fact that it has this extra little metal piece that keeps that in place, because you know it is common problem where sometimes these cables just come loose and then you'll have a black screen issue. So this is a really great setup. There we go. I have it all done and complete, and that is how you do it. If you found this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more great content. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.